Morning, everybody. You all right? Right, bright and early. Video. Right, this morning I'm coming down. I was off. Well, I'm not as usual. It was probably before 5 when I turned right top of the street. And I noticed a couple of lasses were going to. We're opening the door in co-op, so I just thought, oh, it's not only me at this time. But then I was thinking a bit about it. I thought, well, they work for co-op, so they're probably pensioned up to L and this, that, and other. I'm a bit different in a different league. We like looking after your son and stuff like that. I mean, did make me think. Then I got bills washing in, old lad up street, so I had to shot up to co-op at Swinton because that co-op's got like an outside laundrette in there. So bangs his washing in, comes down to work, sort this video out for you, so you've got a bit of something. But it got me thinking, and it's probably got me thinking of where we are, because I was thinking about, like, you're on your own, you're in resto world now. I might be I don't know if I am one of the only guys about just working on my own, or whether some are 2 or 3, some are 4, some are 5. I don't know where they are. But I just thought to myself, the goal I've tried to reach is probably like a little bit nearer now. These are and they're on all fiddly bits. I mean, I know it's not a walk in the park what I've done. I mean, I was on this TR4 yesterday. I was just putting a live through just purely to get a point on, so he could have a sat nav in, and then obviously he wants a point on for a modern sort of radio and stuff like that. So I mean, I don't really know why people want a radio in, but that's not really me, because sound Renault engine, well, it's a lovely sound. You're probably going to need a car. Well, I do, but that's me. I mean, but I think you can probably put something in your ears off your phone, couldn't you? I don't know, but that's another tale anyway. But I was sorting that out, and it was like messing about, and to be honest, by the time I'd done and proper clipped up, proper made it look like it belonged to the car, didn't look some out of way, probably an hour had gone. And I'm thinking, wow, these, like, even finishing them off, it's like it's a fate and a struggle, all these little bits are taking time, and like I've just said, I'm thinking, well, where am I going? What am I going? Have I turned this corner now? Is this happening? And to be honest, it is, because I mean, I've got a bit more blastings come over my way, and also I've got somebody now onto me regarding like some lessons in a bit of wheel work, probably a bit of bead roller, shrinking, stretching, basically body work. But they've got their idea in their head, but they don't know if they're going in the right direction. So, but we'll see about that one. We'll probably do a video on that one if it comes off. But my plan, the way my life is going, should I say? That sounds a bit more like proper English, doesn't it? And it's probably a bit nearer. So I'm probably in a situation now, that's probably what this video is about, where I've got to turn that corner. I've got to probably move away from old way. I mean, I've got a grandkid as well, that's going to take a bit of time now. All this just hammering away. And to be honest, I don't think there's no ultimate business plan. You just bumble along. I'm just one of them sort of guys who bumbles along. I've mentioned before about my desk, all is full of paperwork, notes tidy. Well, I don't need to change. I've got my other side, which I want to have as a bit of a studio for all this. So I could even be sat on, I don't know, a back end of a Zephyr as a settee talking to you. I could be doing something else. I could have a motorbike in there. Could do out. Basically, because I know I'm a restoration guy, and I know I've got a lot of knowledge, and I've got a lot of knowledge in other fields like carpentry and stuff like that, but it is time for this change to happen now. So, probably just this morning, just when I saw them at 5 o'clock, I'm thinking, well, there's not only me, but then when I thought the package you'd get with the co-op, and the package you get with when you do what I do, I think you need to adjust. That's probably the word, adjust. So that's what I'm going to do, and that's basically, it's obviously accelerating on now, but like you say, you know that these cars are still here, but these cars are just, they've probably gone through worse of the troubles. They're just the tweaks to finish it off, and because I want to finish them off properly and do them properly, well, that's just where we are. So, like I said, that's video. I mean, the changes on top of us, you're going to see the changes. I've started already adjusting things. As I've said to you, I probably do have a Wednesday blasting day, stuff like that, even though I've got a bit of something to do today for somebody. I've got the wheels to like proper pressure wash off for the TR, because so I can get them in blast cabinet and get them done, and then get his tyres on. Everything's rolling on, but in there it's rolling on. Even though I've got all this facility, I don't think I've got energy anymore to probably do a full resto. you know, I'll probably tackle one of my own over a period of doing other stuff and like sneaking little jobs in. It might be whether it is a bit of blasting, whether it's a bit of paint work on something, you know, whether it's a bit of welding, a bit of teaching. But I think that's where we're going, and I think that's where we're going to end up. Because I look around at what I've got. I mean, I will like. There's been a bit of a thing going off at XJ40s because it must be some anniversary. And I mean, I've got the most gorgeous XJ40 over there. I can't remember. Probably last time I started it was for you. So you know, time to adjust. Time to adjust. So if you like video, give a like. You know, if you just put it on just to listen to me, well, thanks very much. I really appreciate it. You know, and subscribe to my channel if you're watching this and want to watch where I'm going, because I'm still sat in old place at the moment, but you know, we're on edge of change. And pass a comment, come back to your channel and look at my back catalogue if you're new to the channel, and I'm sure you'll find something you can appreciate. Thanks very much for listening anyway and watching, people and folks, and give us a like if you like it, and see you tomorrow. Might have something really interesting for you tomorrow, so keep tuning in. Thank you.